Are they meant to go in the ground though, normal circumstances?
Yeah, yeah. If you're sat and it's a bit chilly.
Yeah. No, they are the best time.
Yeah.
We had them last year.
Yeah.
I haven't seen them.
Yeah, I will.
I'm going to sit out tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'll just sit off.
Oh my goodness me. Whoa, that was nice.
No, I don't think my ones are illegal ones.
Oh,
They're mine. What else they go up and they make a bang. Mine will make a noise from the ground. They whistle.
why are they illegal?
Because you're not allowed to have they had like a, I don't know who did it, must be some boffin of some kind. And they did like a noise.
Put that on the ground and let me sit.
Which, the demon detonators, yeah, they whistle, I think. Like that? Yeah, but louder, I think.
Oh, it's moving. We'll have a friend, whoa, and then it's just nothing there.
Imagine you, Lee, get down to the van. All right, Rob.
I would wear it with the half left. Then my neighbours said to wear this, don't like this.
See, we wouldn't help them, we'd run over there.
Yeah.
They start laughing.
Later.
Drop down back of the stairs.
The cats will be like that.
I've just had to let mine out. Is that? Get him in quick.
Oh no, I've left them in.
So they're all in now, they're all locked in the conservatory.
I haven't even thought
Oh
about
yeah,
it. Then I've got cat laughing.
yeah.
Right, get ready to run, girls.
Reg had his head hanging out the cat flap one.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
It is. It's awesome. Yeah.
look at the smoke.
Doesn't do my slip disc any good doing this, following them up like that. I stand
You know what
there.
we could have lit one with? Voronin. We could have sent several food as well. And then Lucas on the next one. Was like,
Oh my god.
it's all smoke tonight, Matthew. I'm going to be blathered.
Bloody hell. That went with some force, didn't it? I'm standing out here.
Ready to run.
Oh god, it's gone flat, dropped down a bit.
Flying over here.
Should have worn me tenner, lady. I said I'm moving over here, it came over here to us. Bloody hell.
Watch reading.
Oh wow, yeah.
I don't like them yet. Tell them not to like them yet.
Please. And Leo's which one's these? Wait.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What's that noise?
Move out, Steve. Move away. Back straight out.
Mine's Ellie, out the way. Go, go, go.
Standing next to him.